Hey y'all, what's up? So I just got back from work. I've refreshed. I'm on my 90s, but I decided to make this very short video. I recall that I told you guys that I ordered BeLeathered. I ordered for this bag, and what was delivered was the smaller version of this, which was not what I wanted. I needed a bag that could contain all of my work essentials, but what was actually delivered was what I ordered, but not what I intended to order. You get that? So she agreed to, to change the bag for me, and I topped up the amount and waited for the delivery timeline. So here it is. She actually told me on the 24th of February, but today is the 23rd and my bag is already here. I am not even sure that the video I made is up already, but that video was like 2 weeks ago. That was because I have a backlog of videos that have scheduled.
I ordered for a bigger bag from BeLeathered, and when the bag was delivered, can you believe it was smaller than this? And that was when I realized that I did not read the description. I was just...
I might just have to take it up, so this one comes up maybe a few days after. But if you're seeing this video, let's just unbox this. So right here, she wrote, hold on. She wrote, warning, opening this package will result in extreme happiness. I really hope so. I do hope for that. This is it. Okay, right here. And pull it out from here. Whoosh, this is beautiful already. Ooh. Okay. This should contain all my work essentials. It should. The leather is so beautiful and it's of high quality. I love it. Whoa, yo, take a good look at the inside. Love the feeling. Ooh. Okay, it comes with longer handle, if that is your vibe, and it has compartments. It has compartments here, and whoosh, easy. Has 2 compartments actually. So beautiful, right? Let's pose for a picture. Thank you so much, BeLeathered. I missed this. Your order made us smile, and we hope this makes you smile too. Oh my goodness, look at how excited I am over a bag. You know when you order something and that is exactly what you get, right? There is this joy that comes with it. The same way you will feel very awful when you get those scenarios of what I ordered versus what I got, meaning you didn't get exactly what you wanted. But yeah, this is it, baby. Let's go. My water bottle, my laptop, my work essentials, my purse, all of that inside here, and we move. Okay, bye guys. I forgot to mention there's this cute little jotter here and your business card.